Hey guys, Sonia here. Welcome back to the Mortgage Myths series. We are on episode 4. In this one, we are going to talk about VA loans. So one of the most common misconceptions I hear when people talk about their VA loan benefits is believing that they can only use it once. So I've talked to a lot of older veterans that have not used their VA loan benefits yet because they're trying to wait until they're like on their retirement home because they do want the lower down payment, the no mortgage insurance, things like that. And a lot of newer veterans that just don't understand or aren't informed that they can use it more than once. You can even have more than one VA loan at a time. So, I mean, you can definitely use it more than once. Now, there are some things that change with your subsequent uses. For example, they do have an upfront funding fee. It is lower for your first time use than it is for your subsequent use, unless you are a disabled veteran. So if you are a disabled veteran, that is typically exempt. You won't have that payment. So definitely talk to me about that when we go to look at doing a VA loan for you, so we can double check your exemption status with the VA, as they're the ones that are going to give us that information on your certificate of eligibility. You can check it yourself online as well to see what your benefits are and to make sure that you do qualify, because there are some caveats. You got to have enough time in service or enough active duty time. So there are different things that we have to look at to make sure that you qualify. The VA ultimately makes that determination. So we'll get that from your certificate of eligibility, but I do know the ins and outs of it. So I can typically talk to you and figure out if you're going to be eligible. If it's something that I think we might be close, we'll definitely do the certificate of eligibility together just to see what it looks like or see what's missing. But yeah, so we'll go over that. But you can use it more than one time. You can have more than VA loan out at one time. So if you are buying a house close to your current base and then you are relocating and you decide that you don't want to sell that current home, you do want to use it as passive income, rental income, you can do that as long as we can qualify you for the next one. I have worked with a few different veterans that have used this program multiple times. I think the most I've ever seen out at once for VA loans was 4 VA loans total, but there isn't a cap. As long as we can keep getting you qualified, we'll keep going. So yeah, if you have any questions about your VA loan benefits and how to maximize your use of them, and set up either your first VA loan experience or your subsequent VA loan experience or experiences, give me a ring or drop me a line and we'll chat about it. Hope you guys have a good day.